Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make text to video transition on CapCut. So first, you need to prepare a text video like this and also a video. Then after that, just click on the text video and add 3 keyframes in here. So on the text, add 3 keyframes. So the first one is here, second, and the third is on the last, like this. And then after that, on the last keyframe, zoom out the text like this. And then after that, on the second keyframe, zoom in the text a bit like this. And then after that, go in between all of the keyframes and go to grabs, then select the ease in 3. Click on the check icon and now click on the transition box, click on camera and select pull out. Click on the check icon and let's see the result. Okay, so that's how you can make text to video transition. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And also don't forget to like this video and click on thanks. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.